Hello and welcome back to another Adobe Illustrator tutorial. So today we are going to create this kind of stunning text effect in Adobe Illustrator. So let's start the video. I'll remove everything from the artboard and we need a simple background. I'll use this color for my background. Let's lock this background layer and let's start creating our text effect. The font I'm using for this text effect is Gotham and the font size will be 235 point. Let's center this to the artboard. Click on this none to remove the fill color and then we'll go to appearance panel. Click on this add new fill icon and let's add gradient to this layer. I'll use these 4 colors for my gradient. Next, let's duplicate this layer. Change the color of this layer to white. Then go to Effect, Path and Offset Path. In Offset Path, we need a -7 pixel offset path. Change the joins to round and then click OK. Next, duplicate this white layer. Open the property panel by clicking on this little arrow. Then click on offset path and change this value to -8 pixel. Then click OK. Now change this color to light gray and then go to Effect, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Apply a 35 pixel Gaussian blur. Next, select this gradient layer. Duplicate this. Now select this layer. Now go to Effect, Distort and Transform. Here in scale values, apply these values and in copies, we need 40 copies. Then click OK. Keep selecting this layer and then go to Effect, Stylize and Inner Glow. Inner Glow, change the blend mode to multiply and opacity to 50%, blur value 20 pixel. Then click OK. Now select this layer, duplicate this and let's go to gradient panel. Apply a default black and white and now let's change the gradient color. Now change the angle to 90. -90 will be good. Here again go to appearance panel, select this layer and go to Effect, Distort and Transform in scale values we need 96% horizontal and 96% vertical. Then click OK. Now select this layer and drag this to bottom. After that go to Effect, Path and Offset Path. Apply a 13 pixel offset path. Change the joins to round and then click OK. Now duplicate this layer, select this layer, click on this arrow and we don't need offset path on this layer. Let's remove this and change the color of this layer to black. Now go to Effect, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Here we need a 15 pixel Gaussian blur. Then click OK. Now select this layer and again duplicate this. This time go to Effect, Distort and Transform click on apply new effect. Again in scale values, 99.9% horizontal, 99.9 vertical, and in copies we need 80 copies this time, and click OK. Now select this layer and then go to gradient panel. Let's change the color of this gradient too. After that, go to appearance panel, keep selecting this layer and go to effect, stylize and inner glow. Here change the blend mode to multiply and opacity 50% and blur values 20 pixels, and click OK. Now let's add a stroke here, 2-point stroke, and change this stroke color to, let's apply a gradient to this stroke like this. I'm using these 4 colors for this stroke layer. After that, go to appearance panel and keep selecting the stroke layer and go to effect, path and offset path. Apply a 13 pixel offset path, change joins to round, then click OK. After that, go to effect, distort and transform. In scale values, let's change the values to 96% and 96%. Then click OK. After that, drag this stroke layer to bottom. Let's click on this arrow to open the property panel and then go to click on this transform and move this layer to -40 pixel, or I think -60 pixel. Yes, this is looking good. Then click OK. After that, duplicate this stroke layer. Now select this second stroke layer, click on this arrow and then click on transform. Here we need 60 pixel, so we can move this downwards, then click OK. Let's add some elements to make it more beautiful. Select an ellipse and fill with gradient. First, let's choose this color and change the opacity to screen. You can place it wherever you want, and let's lower the opacity to 50%. Duplicate this and change the gradient color to as you want. Okay, let's add more text. The font I'm using for this text is Moving Skate. Let's click on this none to remove the fill color. Then go to appearance panel, click on this add new fill icon, and let's add gradient to this text. I'm using these 2 colors for gradient. Change the angle to 90. And go to appearance panel, duplicate this fill layer, select this second fill layer, change the color to white, and after that go to effect, path and offset path. I'm selecting a 7 pixel offset path, change the joins to round, then click OK. I'm moving here this text and let's duplicate this white layer and change the color of this layer to black. Then go to Effect, Transform and Transform. Move this layer vertically to 10 pixel, then click OK. After that, keep selecting this black layer and go to Effect, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Apply according to your need. I am choosing a 20 pixel Gaussian blur, then click OK. Click on this arrow to open the property panel, then click on opacity, change the opacity to 70% and blend mode to multiply. Let's move it here. Okay, let's add some light flares to this text to make it more beautiful. So here is our final text effect look. So that's it for today. If you have learned something from this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.